Are you suffering from negative thoughts? Are you always pondering on one thing again and again and unable to give your best? And if that is the case with you, then this video is going to help you out. In today's video, I'm going to talk about suffering. And I'm sure that if you are living, it means there will be a suffering. And if there is a suffering, then we cannot take those sufferings out from our life, but yes, we can definitely equip ourselves so that we are able to deal with it perfectly. So there are certain points which I am going to share with you today, which will give you an understanding about why we are suffering and how we can really equip ourselves and doesn't get affected by those sufferings in life. So once we talk about suffering, there are basically two ways through which we can experience suffering. So one is, you experience your suffering with your body, like you have a pain, you have some ailment, you have some disease through which you are suffering. And the second suffering is because of our mind. Okay, so if you're suffering because of your mind, then this video is going to help you out. Now your question must be that how mind is making me suffer. So there is only one thing which actually leads us to suffering, is nothing but our thoughts. So the mind is something which displays the thoughts. Now, why I am suffering because of these thoughts? I cannot live my life without thoughts, right? There will be, if I am alive, if I am receiving information from my environment through my six sense organs, five sense organs, and the fifth one is the mind, right? Then I will definitely go into a loop of thoughts which will lead to suffering. Now, the point which I want to share with all of you is the mind receives or plays these thoughts, and the thoughts makes us feel suffer. Now, why these thoughts makes us feel suffer? Let's understand. Say for an example, you have an outer environment and you have an inner environment as well. And we are connected with our outer environment with the help of our five sense organs, right? Now, what is happening here is we are suffering not because of the environment, but the way how I am perceiving the information from outside in my mind, that is making me suffer. So let me help you understand. Say for an example, you have taken Tata Sky connection. You have put the dish in your terrace. The dish is an instrument which will receive the signal from the satellite from the outside. Okay. Now, that particular information which has been received by the outer environment will go to the television through the cable wire. Am I right? Now, what will happen? This information will go into the television, and in the television there will be LED, right? And then with the help of that, you will be able to see that in a picture form. You will be able to hear it, you will be able to see, right? You will be able to enjoy that, movie, whatever you are watching. Now, say for an example, there is a problem in that wire. There is a break in that wire or some damage is there in the cable wire. Then what will happen? The picture will not come very clear. Or for that instance, if there is a problem with the television, then you will not be able to see the picture clearly, right? Now, where is the problem? The problem is the outer environment, the problem is in the cable, or the problem is there in the television. So it can be with the cable, it can be with the television also. But there is no problem with the outer environment. So the information what has to come, it is coming. But the time it comes to your television where you are able to interpret, where you are able to see, there's a problem coming there. Similarly, I am seeing something, I am listening to something which is happening in my outer environment. Those information is coming in my mind, and the thoughts are nothing but as if you are watching a television in front, of a TV, right? So what is happening when you are looking at a TV? The information which has been gathered from outside is playing. Now, similarly, when you are getting information from outside through your sense organs, it goes into your mind, and then you interpret that information. Now, how you will interpret that information, how you will be able to understand that what information I have got it from outside, and then you will be able to think about it. So for an example, I ask, okay, tell me the route which takes you from your home to your office. What will happen? You will suddenly, your mind will take out the data, and it will show you a vivid picture in your mind that this is the route through which I can go to my office, right? Now, when you are recollecting the information, you will be able to recollect only with the help of three things. Either it will be visual, or it will be auditory, or it will be kinesthetic. So when I was child, when we were studying school and college, there were many songs and the movies which has come at that point of time. And today when I listen to those music, I go into that zone. I recollect those memories. How it comes? Because that auditory, that information that we have received, the experiences which I have received, it is stored in my mind, and when I am listening, it is taking out all those files which is already stored in my mind. So let's understand this in this way. You have gathered the information from outside. You have started interpreting the data with the help of auditory, visual, and kinesthetic is nothing but the feelings which you have associated with the particular thing which is happening. But what if there is a problem with the wire, or there is a problem with the television? So whatever is happening outside, you will not get the same information. Means event 1 is happening outside, but by the time it reaches to your mind, it will become event 2. And because it will become event 2, your perception about the situation, your reaction to the situation will also change. My dear friends, we all are suffering because of this damage in our cable. Now let's understand this little deeply. So these damages are nothing but when there is a problem with the beliefs, when there is a problem with the values and the experiences which we had. So the cable wire, which actually takes the information from outside to inside, apart from your sense organs, is nothing but the beliefs, values and experiences. So what will happen? Once the information goes into your mind, it will become E2, from event 1 to event 2, based on your beliefs. Say for an example, I believe and I think that no one cares for me, no one wants to talk to me, no one likes me. Okay, that is the belief which I have gathered over a period of time, probably because of the experiences I had in my life. Now one day I'm just going out and then walking on the street, and I've seen one of my friend coming from opposite direction. And when I've called that friend with his name, that friend started running, and he caught that bus and he went away. Now tell me, the information which I have gathered from outside was, I am calling my friend doesn't listen to me, and then he ran and he caught that bus and then he went away. Now in my mind, the interpretation of that information will be, see, I told you, no one wants to talk to me, no one likes me. I have called him and then see how he ran. Each time your beliefs will strengthen your views. Say for an example, you feel that you are not very good looking, and you have bought one dress. you wore that dress and you were just walking on the street, And you have found few people who have seen you and laughing. Now, what is the thought which will come in your mind? You will think that, see, I don't look good, that is the reason they are laughing. Now, you know what happened in both the situations? In the first situation, when you called your friend with his name, he was unable to hear you because he was wearing that earplugs were there. So he was not able to hear you, and neither he has seen you. He was in a hurry. He has to reach his office fast. So what happened? Once he had seen that bus, he immediately caught that bus and he went away. The scenario was different, but you interpreted it differently because of your beliefs. In second situation, these two people who have actually laughed were talking to each other and they have recollected one of the joke because of which they laughed. And they have not noticed you also. But you know what is going in your mind? That this particular guy has seen me and laughed at me because I don't look good. Have you experienced such kind of thing? Now you tell me. Whatever information is going on in outside and whatever is replayed in my mind changes, and because of which I start reacting in that way. Say for an example, your values which you have developed over a period of time, and you have seen in your home people never respected women, and you have grown up seeing that. Now what will happen? That will become your value, that women should not be respected, and that you will repeat in your current situation. So these values, say for an example, you have seen in your family from your childhood that they always talk about humanity, they always talk about helping people, they always talk about respecting people. What will happen when you grow up? Even if someone who is not responding to you correctly, you will always have that thought to respect a human being, right? So these are the things which we have to understand. Now, if you have certain images in your mind, because as I have already shared that we always represent the informations into in our mind with the help of auditory, with the help of visual, and with the help of the feelings which we have associated with that event. So say today, select one such bad experience which is still today making you feel uncomfortable. Just think about it. Close your eyes and just think about that event. So before I do this exercise with all of you, I would just like to share with all of you a simple example. Say for an example, you are watching a movie, right? A new movie which has come, Shah Rukh Khan ka movie, and you are watching in a black and white TV. Then you decided to watch in a color TV, and then you decided to watch in theater, multiplex. Your experience in all three places will be different. Why? The same story, same movie, same dialogues, but experiences will be different because the mind, when it is taking the information, the three things is more vivid. That is your audio, your visual, and your feelings which you're getting while looking at it is more vivid when you are watching in a hall. And that is the reason why you feel good when you see that. Now similarly, what happens, you have a memory which is very bad memory, or a bad experience which has happened in the past, and it is so clear in your mind, the words which has been told to you at that point of time, it is so clear to your ears, even if you recollect those events, that you feel uncomfortable when you think about it. Why you are feeling uncomfortable? Because it is so vivid, it is so clear in your mind. So more clarity in mind about that event which has happened, more suffering will be there. So how you can reduce it? I'll give you a simple examples. If you have certain kind of experience which is making you feel uncomfortable, just close your eyes and see how was the image, how you are able to recollect that. Is it like a movie? If that is a movie and if it is looking very colorful, whether you are in that movie, how was the sound, whether it is very clear, whether it's very nearer to you. If those are the things you are able to observe, it means the sufferings will be more. And how you can reduce it, assume that there is a knob, a control knob is there just in front of you when you are closing your eyes. So first what you do, turn your knob towards left and see the color is becoming, color of that event which is very colorful is becoming black and white. Then there will be another knob, just move it towards left and you will see that those images which was very nearer is going very far from you. So far that you are not able to see it clearly. Then there will be a third knob. Imagine there is a third knob, and when you are twisting it towards left, the voice is coming down, and now you are not able to hear it. If you do that, you will see that the intensity, the feeling which you are getting about that experience will come down. Why? Because all those things which is making it very vivid, you have reduced it. You have removed the color, you have made it far, you have reduced the voice. It is going to have an impact. So hope you have liked this video, and thank you so much for watching. My only point is that if you really need help, connect with me. My number is right here only where I have mentioned it. So connect with me, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel. Share this video with as many people as possible. Like and comment. Thank you so much. Bye bye.